We often find ourselves asking, when will that construction ever be done and what's being built over there?
In our city-centric coverage, we dug for answers to a few of the projects, and Joe Chiodo joins us now live in studio with the update. Hey, Joe.
Hey guys, no matter where you are in the city, of course, chances are you will drive past construction, maybe something being torn down or something new being put in its place. Today I checked in on 4 developing projects. The first is this mixed-use project near 132nd and Millard Avenue, the former Millard Lumberyard property. Here's video of construction that we took today, and we want to show you what it is going to look like when it is finished. This is a drawing of that right there. It's going to have multifamily housing, office space, and retail space, as well as parking, which is needed. Now, construction began last spring. They'll start putting up steel frames in December, and some of that space will open next summer, but the entire project won't be done until 2017. This is also going to be the site of the new Southwest Omaha Police Precincts. That is set to be completed next summer as well. Let's move on now to Midtown, the Blackstone district. It continues to develop, and this project right here is near 38th Street in Farnham. It will become a 5-story urban-style apartment complex with commercial and retail space. This should be completed by spring of 2016, so just about a half a year away. Another Midtown project underway, the Security National Bank at 35th and Farnham, right near Hewitt and Mutual of Omaha. This has closed one westbound lane for quite some time. I'm told this will be completed by the end of December. So some good news for drivers there. And our last stop, it takes us to 90th and Center. This is right across from the Hy-Vee that you might know. Fairway Stores Incorporated announced today that they will have a 6,000 square foot full service meat market. Construction will begin in the next 90 days, and they say it should be completed by spring of next year. So a lot to keep our eyes on in the coming months. Of course, we're going to post all of this on WOWT.com as well. John and Mallory, back to you.
Thank you, Joe.